Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Joey's channel. Bringing you today JD Tico tool haul. I got this rather quickly. This is one of the Facebook group deals that they do where they sell limited items, you know, like they got very small quantity of. So let's take a look here and see what we got. Good size box. It doesn't say the weight. That's okay. Oh, it says 7 pounds. Let's see what we got in here. Hopefully you guys can see. Maybe if I put you sideways. So I've been looking to get some magnetic things to go on my toolbox. So when they posted this deal, I was all over it. So it's Monster Mobile, which we know Monsters on it is no longer. But a piece of the paper towel holder, which is nice. It's got 3 magnets on the back. The old box. Oh, I guess this would be a tray to like put something in. Maybe a box of gloves. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, this one's heavy. We got another. Right here it's got some screw holes. Another one to be able to set some things in. This one's got 4 magnets on it. And I got this. Put some PB Blaster, WD-40, starting fluid, whatever, 3 cans, and then it's magnetic also, and looks like we can even put some screwdrivers or whatever we can get to fit in there. This was a $45 last call. I think that was a great price. I know I looked in Lowe's and the Craftsman paper towel holder alone was going to be like 20 bucks. So for 45 bucks, you guys in New Jersey, you did it again. My box is black. This is black. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I couldn't ask for anything more. Good job, JD Tico. Fast ship. Always a pleasure doing business with you guys. Take care, everybody. We're going to be posting another video shortly.